Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and for today's video is we're here outside. We're making our garden guys. Naghimo mi sa mong garden guys. So ayan. So pakita ko sa inyo yung ginagawa namin guys. So mag-water ako sa aming tanim, and then si Mr. is naghimo ng aming garden. Oh, naghimo ng aming garden. Ano ba yan, inay? So, yung dalawa nakakaugtas man sila. Anday, ay, nakakaugtas. Ay, ayaw lumabas. Makaugtas niya ako mga anak guys. Di mo gawas. I need them to, watch Ethan ba. Alright guys, see you later. Hangin. And then, andyan si Mr. Ginawa niya yung guys, kanang, ano man tawag dyan? Beads? Beads? I don't know. Basta para sa garden guys. Tapos, yung tinanim ko dito na sumit. Ala, namatay na. Sikot na. Nakusok na. Nalurok na siya guys. Hagba man. Then ako sa nabilin rin ako last year. Ay, tubo rin siya. Nakagaguyog. Kanang kuan ni siya guys, kanang usa tawag beron ta siya. Ang tawag kanang alugbati. Ayan si Mr. Ginawa yan yung aming beads dyan. Video ko yan ulit guys pag natapos niya mamaya. Kasi nga si Ethan naglaro guys, sayo loto. Guys, diba ang dami. Ito yung mga gamit para sa ating beads. Ang daming kahoy. Di, kami. Manablo na. Medyo malaki. So, dako ang ating garden for this year, guys. So, almost done na yung isa, guys. Ayan, bali 5. What this must ban? Beads? Beads?
Yeah, raised beds.
Raised beds.
Yeah, raised beds.
Raised beds.
Raised garden beds, yeah.
So, 5 kainana. Man, a lot. We're gonna plant a lot of plants.
In the middle is gonna be a water garden.
Water garden?
Yeah, water garden.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
You want to? Got their
Nice.
garden and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, nice, huh?
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take it to your hands, a plan your own hands can land your own brand, and damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder.
Guys, look at this. Yung akong buwan na, it's a weeds. Sagbot daw ni, sagbot.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And
guys, tapos na siya. So, mo na siya ang tanan nga woods guys, oh. Worth $700. My God, expensive beads.
With nails, $100 with nails.
Yeah, it's all together.
$100 in nails.
Oh man. So all the lumber guys is 600, and the nails. This one mas no?
Yep,
Nails. It's $100. Holy cow. So expensive kuan ha? Garden. Oh, hello guys. Nanami sa sulod guys. And then dumating na yung in-order ni Mr. na ano guys, coffee ni Madam Key live. Ito siya. Ayan, so pasensya na kayo, gulo-gulo. So ayan, so merong dumating yung first kuan niya, first order niya gahapon. Tulo kay naani guys. Kaya naubusan ang stock ng ganito. And then kani yang gipalit, nakakamura. Meron daw itong ganitong stock pero higher daw yung price. Tapos hinihintay niya yung ibang ano, parang dealer siguro sa Amazon. Then hinihintay niya yung ano, nakakamura siya ba. Parang something like 50 something or 45. Basta kung sa kainaan ni guys, 30 ka pieces. Kaya siya is nakaka-save siya. So pag sunod order niya is na siya stock. So mo niya yung gi-apas og order. Pero nagdungan siya og abot sa Amazon. Sa Amazon to guys. Tingnan niyo. Ito yung sa Amazon. Ito iwan ko saan niya in-order. Itong package to. So kasama yung isa. Kasama yung unang dumating. So ano ba to? Louis Beauty Box. Asa ba niya? UPS Grand Advantage. Abot cubic. I don't know kung unsa nga site siya nag-order ani guys. So kani siyang 30 is kanang Amazon. So dahil sa pag-order na niya ng kupi guys, muntik na siyang kanang disgrasya. Muntik daw siyang kanang kuan ba kanang impact bitaw sa ibang sasakyan nga nagkuan dahil sa ano siguro parang sa speed yata yun. So yun yung sabi niya sa akin na muntik daw siyang madisgrasya tungod sa akong coffee no, kay nag-drive nag-order og coffee. So mauna siya guys, so kawawa. So ayun lang guys, thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys. So ayun lang yung ano namin, bukas na namin tatapusin yung nasa labas, and then mag-a-update na lang ako if matapos na yung aming garden beds guys. So yung garden namin nga napakamahal naman. Uy, grabe ang mahal na inaano ni Mr. ay sa kanang kuan pa lang materials kuan ba kanang sa mga woods ba.